In this video we will see about array search. This is also known as a linear search. The question is, they give one set of array and x value. Our task is to check the x value is present in that given array. If it is present, we just return its index. If it is not present, if the x value is not present in a given array, means we just return -1. To take example 1, they give one set of array and x value. X value is 3. The x value present in this array means we return its index 2. 2 means zeroth value index number is 0, 2 value index number is 1, 3 value index number is 2, 4 value index number is 3. So the x is equal to 3. The x value is present in this array at second index position, so we return 2. Now we take example 2. They give you an array and x value is equal to 5. The x value is present in this array at fourth index, so we return its index 4. Now you take example 3. They give one array and x value. The x value is 6, but 6 is not present in this array, so we return -1. Now you see this time complexity. The time complexity is order of n. We achieve this time complexity using a for loop. Now the logic, now we go to logic. The logic is I use for loop to traverse from start to end of the array. In this array, if the x value is present in this array, means I just return its index value, or else I return -1. Now I start to code. I traverse the array from start to end, so I use for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I lesser than arr dot length. Next I increment the I value I plus plus. Inside the for loop, I check a condition. I check x value is present in this array if arr of I. That means I check each value equal to x. If the element is present, means I return its index position, return I. If the x value is not present in this array, means finally I return -1. So finally I return -1. Now I compile and run. Okay, now I click submit button. So all the discs are passed. Now we solve another problem also, linear search. In linear search, the time complexity is order of log n. You see before linear search, its time complexity order of n. We achieve that time complexity using for loop. But in this problem, the time complexity is order of log n. So we does not achieve using for loop. Okay, now the question is same. They give one array. Again, they check the given number is present or not. If it is present, we just return its index value. Now the logic is, now I take one start pointer and one end pointer, then I find its bit value. Now I check the bit value is equal to the given k value, means I return its bit value index, or else if the given if the bit value is lesser than if the bit value is lesser than k value, means I change the start pointer position to mid pointer plus 1. Else if the mid pointer value is greater than k value, means I modify the end pointer to mid pointer minus 1. If the given k value is not present in a given array, means I return minus 1. You see this example, k is equal to 445. The given value is not present in this array, so we directly return minus 1. So in binary search, I start to code. I declare one start pointer, int start pointer is equal to 0. Just I declare end pointer is also 0. No. End pointer is a last value. Start pointer is 1. End pointer is a last value. So arr dot length minus 1. Just I declare a mid pointer pointer. Now I use while loop. This while loop run until start pointer lesser than or equal to end pointer, while start pointer lesser than or equal to end pointer. Inside the for loop, I find midpoint value. So midpoint is equal to start pointer plus end pointer divided by 2. Now I check a condition. If mid pointer is equal to k value, means I return the mid pointer arr of mid pointer is equal to k value, means I return mid pointer value, else if the mid pointer value is lesser than k value, means I modify the start pointer position to mid pointer plus 1. The mid pointer value greater than k value, means I modify the end pointer to mid pointer minus 1. After the end of the loop, finally I return. If the given value is not present in an array means finally I return -1. Now I click submit button. All the test case passed.